Good morning, everybody. It is 7:42. I've been up since about 7 this morning. Ben came and checked on me to see if I was awake, and I was, and then I just kind of snuck into the shower while Charlotte was still sleeping. So I just got out of the shower. I just made my couponing video, so I'm going to post that in a couple minutes. And then I'm going to get out of here to go couponing right away. I got to go to Menards because I'm going to work on something that I want to make, and I'm going to make a video of how I made it, so I got to bring that list. But other than that, I hope to have a good day. I don't even want to watch the news, you guys. It's so depressing. When Graham and I went to bed last night around, I think like 10:30, 11 o'clock last night, there's people starting cars on fire, there was people flipping cars, there was more buildings getting broken into, more stuff getting stolen. I just don't understand why people are doing that, because it doesn't resolve anything. How does doing that do anything? Like, I just don't understand. Looting and riots and stuff doesn't do anything. I understand protesting, you know, everybody can do protesting. I'm totally fine with that, but riots and looting, it doesn't do anything. It does not do anything, and I just don't understand that. But yeah, so that is how my morning goes. I'm so afraid to even watch the news. Graham's like, are you even okay going out of town? And I'm like, well, I'm not going anywhere near downtown, and that's where most of the people are. Plus the people that are out all night long, they're probably sleeping right now. So I got that going on. But yeah, so today I want to still continue getting more stuff out of the basement. I actually had more people message me last night asking me to buy stuff, so I've been selling stuff. I got some people coming while I'm at work, or I'm going to go couponing today, so like that's awesome. So it's getting there. I'm getting stuff. I'm getting rid of stuff. I have more stuff to get rid of. I'm going to try to convince Graham if we can have a rummage sale next week, because I want to get rid of a bunch of stuff. So fingers crossed. But I will catch you guys back in a little bit. I'm going to eat something real quick. It is 7:44. I'm hoping to be out of here by like 8:15. You guys, so it is 8:08 and I'm finally out the door. I'm heading to Menards to get a newspaper because they sell them for $2.50 in my area. Everywhere else it's $5. I know, it's crazy. And then I'm going to get some, I got to get some PVC pipe, and there's that going on. And then I am going to go to CVS. No, I'm going to go to Walgreens and then CVS. So yes, I'm hoping to be home. All my videos done. I'm hoping to be home by 11. So we will see, because it's 8, 9, 10, 11. I have 4 hours to get all that stuff done. Hey, let's go. So it's currently 2:10. I've been home for about 2 hours. I'm currently working on my CVS video. I'm kind of just stalling on the CVS video right now because I put all 3 back to back last week, and like nobody got notifications that they were there. Ben's gonna start crying in the background in a couple minutes. But I'm just looking at the news right now. Out of all the damage that was done last night downtown Madison, they asked for volunteers to clean up this morning, and they only needed like they needed like 100, but I think they said that, from what I read, it sounded like thousands of people showed up to clean up. But they're also doing a GoFundMe page just to get all the supplies and stuff they need. But they said there's glass everywhere. I was just looking at all the buildings, all the stores. I mean, we have a street called State Street. Now, if you guys ever been here, you know what I'm talking about. But State Street is like a long shot from the Capitol to the UW-Madison. It's like a couple miles long. I've walked it several times. But it's all about stores. There's a lot of local stores there. That's where there's a place where they have concerts. There's another place where they have, like, you know, the Wicked and the Lion King and stuff. But it's about, I want to say it's like 7, 8, 9 blocks or whatever. And people were all along, mostly about 4 blocks, just destroying stuff. There was like these planters, and they just tipped them over with all the dirt and the flowers all over the place. All the stores are busted into, clothes taken out, shoes taken out. There was a store that sold like local stuff, like glass and purses and stuff. People went in there, shattered everything, and took everything in there. And it's like, I just don't understand what this has to do with anything. And I don't know if I mentioned, but no, I didn't. I didn't talk to you guys. I went to Walgreens this morning, and none of their stuff was up. And the guy was telling me that they ended up shutting Walgreens down last night. Now, this is not, the Walgreens that I go to is about, you know, maybe 5 miles away from downtown, not anywhere near downtown. and they had to close last night at 8 o'clock because they were afraid of people coming in and, you know, breaking stuff. So they closed down early. And then we have 2 malls. Well, we technically have 3 malls, but they're closing one of them. So we have 2 malls in this area, and both malls got broken into last night and people were trying to steal stuff. I just don't understand why. Like, I just don't understand how this has to do with anything. But you know what? I hate to say it. I think it's people that are like under 23 years old, maybe 21. It's all these, like, you know, college kids, high school kids, but it's just crazy. I just don't know what to do. I just feel so bad. I mean, I feel sorry for what happened. I really do, but that doesn't, making more violence doesn't help anything. And it's like, I don't know. I'm just getting like depressed over this because it's like, first it was the virus. The virus has been going on almost 3 months now. And then now, you know, this happened, and it's just people looting and stealing and everything. And it's just like, why? Why is this happening? I just don't understand. It's like I want to just fall asleep and sleep through the rest of 2020. It's just that bad. I mean, we don't know what to... I was talking to our neighbors last night. We don't even know what we're going to do. Like, you know, people want to go on vacation. It's not safe to go on a vacation. If you guys go camping, you know, that's fine. Or boat rides, that's fine. But not everybody can do that. And it's just like, I have nothing to look forward to at all for the rest of the year. We don't even know if there's going to be, you know, Halloween this year. We don't know if there's going to be school, you know, this fall. We don't know if there's going to be Thanksgiving, Christmas, Black Friday shopping. We have no idea what we're in for. And, you know, I should be happy that, you know, it's a great time to be with family and stuff. And this is also keeping me from buying stuff and, you know, just learning more. But it's just, I just don't know what to do, you guys. And it's like, I told Grandma, I says, I'm so happy that I'm on depression medication, because I'm just this upset over stuff that's going on in the world. And it's like, we don't know when there's going to be a light at the end of the tunnel. We have no idea. No idea. So that's what's going on. I'm gonna currently start finishing the CVS video, get that posted, and then I'm going to probably pick up a little bit. My house is a little messy, and then I don't know. Just kind of a little sad, but I'll catch you guys back in a little bit when I feel a little bit happier. So it is, what is it? 7:07. Grandma wanted to go for a walk today, and I'm like, nope, don't want to. I don't know. It's a nice, perfect day to go for a walk, but it's like I'm so overwhelmed with... Charlotte's waving to me. I'm so overwhelmed with cleaning. Like, I want to get cleaning, and I have more ambition when Graham's home. I have no idea why. But he's again mad at me for the basement. And I'm like, Graham, I have to really get to the stuff in the back. And then I found like 4 more boxes in the back, and guess what? Half of them are stuff I can donate, sell, and stuff. So it's like, Graham, just let me do what I've got to do. He's like, well, I hate the mess. And I'm like, I understand you hate the mess, but it's like, just let me do what I want to do, you know? Then it'll be fine. And it's just like, just let me do what I got to do. But I found more stuff that I want to sell. There's that. I got... a box, and I already got like 2 boxes filled of donating stuff, so I want to fill 1 more box up, and then I'm going to drop that off either tomorrow or Tuesday. So funny thing is, like, my place had stuff all over it, and Graham's like, you need to do more while I'm at work, and I'm like, I do a lot of stuff. Like, he doesn't realize what I do. I mean, I even show what I do on the camera sometimes. And he went to mow the lawn, and I came downstairs and I cleaned up a ton. And he sits on the couch. I'm like, do you see anything that happened? He's like, no. And I'm like, Graham, I just picked up a bunch of stuff, from things all over the floor to this and that and this and that. Can't even tell a difference. Like, you could tell a huge difference of what I did. A huge difference. He can't even tell. Can't even tell. I don't know what's in there, honey. What's in there? There's milk in there. Don't put your hand in there. No, honey, no. You want some more milk? She's tired. Hey, say hi. Can you say hi? Say hi. Okay, let me go get you more milk, honey. Let me get you more milk. So, yeah. We got that going on. So, Graham just says I don't do anything. And it's like, Graham, I've been really kicking my butt at doing stuff. Like, if you guys notice, you don't see what I do, but I've been doing a lot of just picking up like details here and there. I've been keeping the bathroom clean. I'm trying to get a bottle open. Give me a second. Give me a second. You guys can look this way. But it's like I'm keeping everything clean and still going at it, but I don't know. But this is the reason why I don't get stuff done, because she is super attached to me. So that's why I don't get anything done. Hold on, Pookie. Pookie. There you go. That's all she wanted. So tomorrow my goal is to finish cleaning the floor, or finish like picking up and stuff. I want to finish my wreath. If I don't go to Goodwill, or there's another place that I donate, I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna get the stuff off the stairs, and that's just what I want to do tomorrow. I just want to get more stuff picked up, more stuff off the floors, more stuff off the stairs. I want to vacuum the stairs is what I want to do. So just gotta do a little bit by little bit, otherwise I get overwhelmed. And I'm doing the basement, for a half an hour to an hour at a time. Right now I'm watching, I had to sit down, you guys, I'm like gonna get stressed out. Between everything that is going on right now, between like the stress of my house, that's the least part of my stress, but it's like, I just want to keep going and going and going, but it's like, I'll get burnt out if I keep doing it. So, but just between that, and then the virus, and then, the protesting, now there's more protesting going downtown. I found out that we have a curfew tonight, so like anybody out, I hate this one little curl. But yeah, I don't know what to do. I'm fine with staying home. I hate that curl. I am truly fine with staying at home. Hopefully they find my package tomorrow. Hoping. I'm gonna try to, Graham told me to get my hair cut on Monday, and then now he's like, oh no, get it on Tuesday. Well, I called today and they're closed today, but I'm gonna see if maybe they can fit me in tomorrow or Tuesday. But I really need to get my hair cut. I mean, if you guys look at it, it's like pretty long, and I'm gonna cut it like this much. I'm just gonna have it. I always cut my hair short in the summertime. So, yes, but I'm gonna let you guys go just because it's a boring day today, but definitely check out, I don't know what to check out, but definitely check out what I'm gonna be making this week. I'm pretty excited. I got a couple projects to make, a couple cups for you guys to make. I gotta find more confetti cups. Like, one person wanted me to order a confetti cup, and that is it for all I have. So I need to find more confetti cups and all that jazz. So I am going to let you guys go, and you have a good night. See ya. Bye-bye.